How do you actually know if something is alive? The answer is in these 8 life processes, which show up in every IGCSE paper. I'm Miss Nikan, and I break it down step by step so it's easy to remember.
There are 8 life processes which takes place in most living things: growth, movement, respiration, nutrition, homeostasis, reproduction, sensitivity, and excretion.
Most scientists use these life processes or characteristics to determine whether something is living or non-living.
Organisms need nutrition. Plants make their own food. Animals eat other organisms. They respire and release energy from their food. They excrete themselves. Excretion is the removal of waste materials arising from normal life processes from the body. It is necessary to eliminate waste products such as carbon dioxide and salt. All living things are able to respond to stimuli in the external environment. The ability to detect changes in the surrounding environment is called sensitivity. They respond to changes in light, heat, sound, and chemical and mechanical contact. Living things move in a directed and controlled way. Animals move by the action of muscles and bones. Plants move in different ways. One of the most typical ways that plants move is through a process known as phototropism. Essentially, they move and grow toward the light. Living organisms reproduce. Reproduction is the process by which living organisms produce new individuals of their own kind. Reproduction thus enables to maintain a particular species on the earth. Organisms control their internal conditions and maintain a steady state inside a body, which is called homeostasis. Living things grow and develop. They increase in size and complexity using materials from their food.
If you can name all 8 life processes, you're already ahead for IGCSE Biology. Next, we will look at how those life processes show up in different types of organisms, from bacteria to humans. Subscribe and you will be one step closer to owning this topic.